Okay, here we go. We're going to take a look at solving this polynomial equation. So first thing we have to do is make this thing equal 0, minus the 26x squared from both sides. So that gives us x to the fourth minus 26x squared plus 25 equals 0. And so now we want to look, does it have a GCF? Is there anything in common that I can take out? Nothing there, so I'm not going to just try setting up some parentheses here. And as we look at this, if this were just an x squared and this were an x, that'd be something that we're used to factoring. When it's an x to the fourth, all we're going to do is put an x here, and an x times x does not equal x to the fourth. But if I do x squared, now x squared times x squared gives us x to the fourth. So now I need it to equal the 25. And so what you want to do is you want to think about what numbers multiply to 25. What are the factors of 25? We have 1 and 25, 5, and 5. So now, looking at those numbers, what numbers would equal, if we add them up, 26? And of course that's going to be a 1 and 25. So I know this is going to be a 1, I know this is going to be a 25, but now I got to look at the signs. So since this is a positive, it could be plus, but a positive and a positive wouldn't give me a negative 26 here. So it turns out this is going to be a minus minus. And so now as we look at that, that gives us x squared minus 1, difference of squares, x squared minus 25, difference of squares. So this becomes x plus 1, x minus 1, and then x plus 5, x minus 5 equals 0. And so now as we solve that, this one's going to give us negative 1, this one positive 1, this one negative 5, and this one positive 5. And if you want to make it look a little bit better, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 5. So now, how many answers do we have? How many roots? Well, we have 4 roots. Go back up here, x to the fourth, and so everything looks good. Hope this helps.